Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love gardening but want to reduce your water bill and be more eco-friendly, today's video is for you. I'll be sharing 5 creative gardening ideas that will help you save water and of course, save some money too. So let's jump right into it. First up, let's talk about mulching. Mulch is a gardener's best friend when it comes to conserving water. By adding a layer of organic mulch like wood chips, straw, or shredded leaves around your plants, you'll keep the soil cool and reduce evaporation. This means you'll need to water less often, saving both water and time. Plus, mulch adds nutrients to the soil as it breaks down, so it's a win-win. Now let's talk about drip irrigation systems. Unlike traditional sprinklers that can waste a lot of water due to evaporation and runoff, drip systems deliver water directly to the plant's roots. This targeted watering method uses much less water and ensures that every drop is put to good use. You can set up your own DIY drip irrigation system using soaker hoses or repurposed plastic bottles. It's a great way to save money while still giving your plants the hydration they need. Section 3. Rain barrels for harvesting water. Why let free water go to waste? Setting up rain barrels under your home's gutters is a fantastic way to collect rainwater for your garden. Not only does this reduce your dependency on tap water, but plants also love rainwater since it's chemical-free and packed with natural nutrients. Rain barrels come in all shapes and sizes, so you can choose one that fits your space and needs. This is a great long-term investment that will help you save on your water bill, especially during the rainy season. Section 4. Zer Escaping, low water plants. If you want to take your water-saving game to the next level, Zer Escaping is the way to go. This gardening technique focuses on using drought-tolerant plants like succulents, lavender, and native species that thrive in dry conditions. These plants need very little water to survive, making them perfect for low-maintenance gardens. Not only do Zer Escapes look beautiful, but they also help you drastically cut down on water usage. Plus, many drought-tolerant plants attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, giving your garden a boost of biodiversity. Section 5. Watering at the right time. Timing is everything when it comes to watering your plants efficiently. The best time to water your garden is early in the morning, before the sun is at its peak. This helps reduce evaporation and ensures your plants have plenty of moisture to get through the day. Avoid watering in the afternoon when the sun is strongest, as most of the water will evaporate before it even reaches the roots. Evening watering is another option, but be careful not to overdo it, as water can sit on the leaves overnight, which may lead to fungal growth. Conclusion. Saving water in your garden doesn't have to be difficult or expensive. With these 5 creative tips, mulching, drip irrigation, rain barrels, Zer Escaping, and watering at the right time, you'll not only help the environment, but also save money on your water bill. Try them out and let me know in the comments how they work for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening. Outro music fades in. End screen text. Subscribe for more gardening tips. Images. Thumbnails of other gardening videos pop up. Music fades out.